Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst of SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the cryptocurrency pair, BTC USD. And as usual, first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technical analysis, which is purely what we're going to be seeing on this chart. Data has shown that almost 47% of Bitcoin supply has been at a loss, which is a historical good time for accumulation. Of course, Bitcoin's price crashed below 30K yesterday for the first time since July 2021. It reached a low of $29,730. And this happened as Bitcoin price plunged below the 30K for the first time since July 2021. Interestingly, we have an that the price also went below the average acquisition cost for MicroStrategy's BTC, which at the time of this writing sits at about $30,700 per coin. The company, spearheaded by Michael Saylor, one of Bitcoin's most vocal proponents, has brought a total of 129,218 Bitcoins at this price. Data shows that this has happened a few times in the past, where most recently it took place during the COVID-19 crash that happened in March 2020. And on all occasions, it has represented good accumulation opportunities. Now, technically, what we've seen on the chart, we had trying to see a regrouping of the most recent fall of BTC, and we're expecting a pullback to this zone to close out this gap, before most likely an extension to the 39 zone and most likely the 40 zones. So what to expect from this? We have noticed the first minor pullback, and then we are expecting a continuation to the upside, which is around $34,258 per BTC, which is close to 200 plus pips, 2000 plus pips from this entry point, which of course is good money. And having a confirmation on this on our 4 hours time frame, we have seen a shoot up back to this zone right ahead, and we are most likely targeting a push up back to a new high, which is the 40,000 per BTC high. And of course, on the daily time frame as well, we have a confirmation after a retracement, leaving it with an inverted hammer, and now which is a confirmation of a bullish trend, most likely to occur to the $40,000 per BTC zone, of course. So that's our technical analysis on today's cryptocurrency pair, BTC USD. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now. Also today on our commodity outlook, we will take having a look at Sony. And we have noticed that the Sony Group Corp on Tuesday said it planned to sell 18 million PlayStation 5 consoles this business. Yeah, as robust game sales helped it more, and then double fourth quarter operating profit. The Japanese economy, however, has warned that it could be forced to revise the production target if any new lockdowns in China to control the spread of COVID-19 make component procurement difficult. What I can say now is that we can procure enough components for 80 million units, Hiroki Totoki, Sony's chief financial officer, said at a press briefing. Sony is using its popular PlayStation 5 games console to encourage online game downloads and sign-ups for subscription services. And last business year, it sold 11.5 million units as it struggled like other consumers to electronic companies with COVID-19 supply chain disruptions. In a shift away from traditional hardware, such as TVs, the company is also expanding its software businesses, announcing in February the acquisition of Bungo Incorporation, creator of the Halo video game, for $3.6 billion, while Sony's profit for the 3 months to March 31 rose to 138.6 billion yen from 66.5 billion yen a year earlier. It was, however, lower than an average 147 billion yen profit estimate from 10 analysts surveyed by Refinitiv. And earnings at its gaming and network services businesses almost tripled in the quarter to 55.6 billion yen. This business year, Sony expects profit from the unit to fall 12% as it invests in game development and spends on acquisitions. For the full that ended March 31 earnings were also boosted by movie unit profits from the success of the Spider-Man No Way Home movie. And this, of course, would have much effects on the Sony market later on, as we are expecting a reversal in the market to push up to this zone, which is the 98.67 zone, and most likely head up to the 107.34 zone, which of course should be good money. Racking on nothing less than 266 plus pips from that trade, of course, which is good money. That's our technical analysis on today's commodity. Sony, I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.